How is it going, guys? My name is Robin here on Chips Media, bringing you the best tips and tutorials for gaming. On this channel you'll find PC components, tech and console accessories such as reviews and unboxings just like these ones. If you are interested in that, consider subscribing. In this video we are gonna do an unboxing and a first look of the brand new headset from Steelseries, the Arctis Pro. So with that said, let's get started. Now I gotta say, guys, I'm a fan of the Arctis 7. I think it's a great headset. Taking into consideration what you get for the money, it's one of the best headsets out there right now in my opinion. Now this time Steelseries wants to separate themselves from the regular gaming headsets that have been known for lacking quality speakers since the beginning basically. Now this headset is for the slightly higher end consumer base because of the price. This headset sits at a price of $180 US. So it's definitely more expensive than the regular, more budget entry-level models. Now we're looking at a fairly simple basic box with the Steelseries logo as well as the Arctis Pro. You know what? We've done this plenty of times before. You know what? I can't hold myself any longer. Let's just open the box and see what we got. Oh, god damn it. Look at that. Look at that. Fantastic. Whoo! Look at that. Wow. Jesus Christ. Are these detachable? These are supposed to be detachable. Let's see. Let's see if they are. Yes, they are. Alright, cool. Solid aluminum frame. Gotta love it. So far, so... You know what? Things are looking really good. Now these are probably gonna be very good. Gotta say, guys, these feels really solid. Actually. Really solid. Side caps. Probably gonna sell customizable side caps in the future, I believe. I gotta say, guys, the headset feels really expensive. That's all I can say for now. What else do we got? Let's just put this aside. See what else we got. We got a few accessories going on. By the way, guys, don't try and eat this one. We got a box that says accessories. Let's pop this bad boy open. Now what the hell is this? Love it. Hate it. What else do we got? Let's dive deeper. Arctis. We got a what looks to be a guide. Well, it says guide. Obviously. What else do we got? So this is obviously the chat mix, and there's a few extra adapters as well, so you can connect it to your Xbox One as well as your PS4. But guys, that's basically it. Jesus Christ. But guys, that's basically it. Expect a full review within the next couple of days of the Arctis Pro. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I gotta say, guys, I'm pumped for this. Now, guys, I want to know in the comments below, what do you think about this headset so far? If you bought it, please share your initial thoughts. And yeah, thank you. And again, expect a full review within the next couple of days. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Robin here on Chips Media, bringing you the best tips and tutorials for gaming. Until next time, guys, have an awesome day. Alright, bye.